Dharranish birdman on Earth for protect climate change. Show a peaceful village with children with Dharranish are playing under big trees, birds singing and rivers flowing. This is Dharranish, a kind-hearted boy who loves nature, especially trees and birds. His grandmother tells him, if you protect trees, they will protect you forever. A group of people begin cutting trees in the forest for money and land. Dharranish feels pain whenever a tree falls, sensing their cries. One night, a magical bird blesses him with power. Whenever a tree is harmed, you will transform into Birdman, guardian of the forest. First transformation scene. Glowing feathers, wings spreading, his voice echoing like thunder. First fight scene. People with axes and machines start cutting an old sacred tree. Dharranish transforms into Birdman, fights bravely, and stops them. Some villagers fear him. Others respect him as a savior. Children admire him and secretly call him the Birdman. A greedy businessman arrives with huge machines to destroy the forest for profit. Despite his powers, Dharranish struggles against bulldozers and chainsaws. He gets injured but refuses to give up. During his weakest moment, the forest spirits and birds come to help him. He realizes his true power is not only fighting, but inspiring people to protect trees together. The businessman brings even more machines. Villagers, inspired by Dharranish, join the fight standing hand in hand to protect the forest. Together, with Birdman's powers, they defeat the destroyers. Instead of cutting trees, people begin planting new ones. A festival is celebrated, Tree Day, where every family plants a tree. Dharranish, now back to his boy form, walks through the green forest, smiling. Final message for public from this video. What? The earth lives when trees live. Never cut trees, grow them. Protect them. Love them.